girls in the face.
Hey,
say something.
I like to whack off.
You should go out with
Wave to the camera.
Shut up!
You should go out with him.
Why?
Because he's cute. He could now.
I want to be a hockey.
I feel bad.
Oh, it's like girls
Feel terrible for you.
Why is that?
She's nasty.
My wife.
Yeah, like you
Oh,
see
yeah,
it
that's
go.
where you get your pussy from.
She's got more guns than she's got teeth.
Hey, Claire. Like this.
What is that?
Hey, that's Canada. Border of Mexico.
I think that's disgusting.
Israel.
It's disgusting.
Dude, she like that shit opens and then the other little thing jumps out of it.
Give him some time.
I'm on video. I ain't got nothing to say.
It's like Alien.
Yeah, you seen that movie Aliens, right? Where the mouth opens and it's like, and then the other thing comes out and eats you. It eats you. Yeah, that's what that is. But I don't really like being on video.
He believes in conspiracies and stuff.
It's true, dude.
Hey, have you been to fucking Dallas? You been to the John Kennedy Museum?
We got a sweet hotel there though, man. Cheap.
Yo, when next time if you ever been to Dallas, go to fucking John F. Kennedy Museum.
You play golf here?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, you didn't play the golf course here, huh?
Not there.
Oh my God, dude.
I went down there.
Dude, look, I play golf a lot.
I love to play golf.
Dude, in Dallas, they got this place. It's called Dallas Cowboys Golf Course.
I saw it.
Oh my God, dude, you get a cart and it's named after a famous cowboy, and it got, it's a super nice cart. Got the club washer, ball washer, all on it.
No, but
Right, and no, but look, you be out, and on the 9th hole there's a grill, and everything's free because it's included in your price. You can eat, drink, dude, and while you're playing, dude, these smoking chicks come out to you. And they're like, oh, here's a little fucking apricot scented towel to wipe your hands off with. They just, like, you've been playing in the middle of a hole, and they just roll up on a cart. And they're like, you need a drink or something to eat, and they got like candy bars and beer and shit in there.
no, but you need to go to that fucking John F. Kennedy Conspiracy Museum.
Oh, they got a conspiracy museum.
They got a regular museum dedicated to him, but they got a conspiracy museum. And it just blows everything out of the water. It's awesome, dude. It costs $12 to get in there.
You ain't got a computer yet, huh? Dude, watch this shit on YouTube called Loose Change.
Dude, that shit's fucking for real. It's like fucking planes.
It's about 9/11. It's about 9/11.
It's like,
Oh, I heard about it.
And it's real, dude.
Like when the plane hits, it says that the skin breaks or whatever.
Sorry.
it says that the engine's melted, and then you see the plane from where the plane hit. It looks like a missile hit, dude. You don't see like the turbo.
It doesn't show where the wings went through. Yes.
Exactly.
I saw it.
It's like those watch those, and where's the remains of the plane?
Yep. There's nothing. There was nothing left.
It's all just
I saw it.
you know, like the day before that one famous girl from the Pentagon was supposed to get on one of those planes, but she received a call telling her not to.